Okay, Norwegians, listen up. You guys be eating some weird stuff. Try caviar and a hard-cooked egg. Expect this. No, that sounds bad. Okay, I have some caviar. Mills caviar. This is caviar. Don't tell me this is not caviar. It's caviar. Caviar. Okay, and now hard-cooked egg. Let's do it. Caviar, hard-cooked egg, and knekkebrød. Knekkebrød? I said it right. Okay, now this does not look good at all. I've never had caviar in my life, and for good reason. It's caviar. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells bad. Nine. No. Cut. Oh my God, that was the worst. Okay, listen. We about to stop all this stuff because you guys are leading me down a path of destruction. That was so bad. Not good at all. Ugh.